I have a page that's already published and I want to republish it. It's published sometime in a year ago. I'm going to go back to all pages and find this page, because now I have a new feature to schedule an update to it. Right, as you can see, there's a feature called Content Update Scheduler here. I'm going to click on Content Update Scheduler. That's the first thing I'm going to do. And you wouldn't see this feature come up when you edited the page the first time. But now, if I scroll down on the right hand side, there should be a new option saying Content Update Scheduler. Now what I want to do, I could keep the original date because I don't want to change the original date, but I want to change the publishing time, right? Before that, let me make some changes. I'm going to simply remove this dot. I'm also going to call this features 1, features 2, and features 3, right? 3 changes. I'm going to go back to my page, scroll down, and I need to now choose when do I want to publish this. I want to publish this possibly today at 1:30. Let's go 1:31 p.m. Let's give ourselves a minute. All right, and that's going to get changed and published at 1:31. Let's hit publish. Right, so publish today at, no, not 1:28 p.m. 1:29, 1:31 p.m. and let's hit publish. Okay, so see how it says view preview. You can view the preview to see how this page will look. But if I go back to all pages, I should see 2 instances. One which is my original, and now this is the update scheduled for today at 1:31. Let me just open up this view so that I can actually go open it up in a private window to see what happens. So this is the current situation. It has a dot, it doesn't have the S's and so forth. I'll wait for 1:31. I'll keep refreshing a couple of times to see when that loads. So the scheduled update should bring in. There we go. I can see features, features, features 3, and the dot has been removed. So if I now go back to close out of this incognito window, go back to my original situation, this was scheduled for 1:31. If I now refresh, clean. We kept the original date without losing that for historical perspective, but the content has been posted successfully. Excellent. That's it. All the best.